Alright, we're at the range today. We're going to be shooting the 380 with a 95 grain Lee powder coated bullets with a sport pistol powder. Going to run a magazine across the crony, see what that comes up, and then we'll do some other shooting. Somewhere around 8:30. We'll get the numbers and tell you all of them later. Alright, let's get it set up to do a little other shooting. Well, we had a major malfunction there. There was powder laying in all in here. Still is. Let's do a little inspection and then we'll get back to shooting. Alright, I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see that or not, but there's a bullet in the barrel. Came undone. So my crimp must be wrong. We'll do a little more, see what we can do. All right, having fun. All right, we'll see you back at the house. Okay, back from the range. After finished shooting up the rest of the ammo, I did end up finding the case in question, and definitely was not hit by the primer or hit by the firing pin. It looks to me like I didn't crimp it. I must have missed this one on a crimp. Got a funny bulge to the side of it too, so that might have just been while it was cycling, because the rest of them look good. Bullet. Looks like it came out. I don't know if we're gonna be able to pick that up or not, but just looks like a missed crimp on that one. Anyway, it's the only malfunction we had. I did have one that didn't lock back on the last bullet, but I don't know on that. But anyway, the numbers are: high was 842, low was 814, average 828. Extreme spread of 28 with a standard deviation of 10. So that's probably pretty good for cast bullets in a semi-auto. I think it's good enough for this 380. So it's just for practice rounds anyway, just to do what I was doing today, just to practice drawing and transitioning target to target. So, all right. Well, it's hot today. It's May the 2nd, and it's getting hot. It's around 90 right now. So I'm gonna go in, take a refresher, and I may go back out to the range this afternoon because one of the other guns I took with me, I forgot the main ammo that I was going to test. Left it at home. Duh. Alright. Anyways, till next time, thanks for watching.